In this video, we'll be talking about the new update to CAD3D, which is a module within my CNC software that allows you to work with pipes and tube cutting. So here we already have some kind of a tube with a design, and if you'd like to know how to obtain something similar, you should check out the rest of our videos if you haven't already. So here we're going to go into our CAD3D module, and we're going to go into the new nesting tab. So in our scenario here, let's pretend that we have some kind of a long tube that we'd like to cut into multiple subsections with the exact same design. So here we have this nesting cutout and some sort of a cut on both ends of the tube. Let's say that we have enough tube for 4 of these designs, for instance. So we're going to go here, click Add Part, and then enter the number. Next, we're going to refresh the nesting. And now we have 4 identical designs that we're going to cut one by one. The only other thing left is the distance, if we'd like to adjust the distance between our tubes or subsections of the pipe. So here, for instance, we have 0.4 inches of distance between each section of the pipe. Let's say we'd like to make this a little less. You can see that now, because we've reduced the distance, the subsections are a little bit closer together. This feature is available on the latest MyCNC version 2.1.0807. We're still testing a few things, and we're going to be adding more functionality, so stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.